Dear my wonderful friends, it's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Bring this to 5,000 likes. Now, this is the part 2 of the robbery, the CCTV footage, where the man them take $10 million and kill one security guard and wounded the next one. This is in Portmore Pines. Now, my opinion on it, a lot of people sort of disagree with it. So, I just want to address it in this video and give my opinion why me come up with that. Cause listen, me is a free thinker. Me not pay license for my thoughts. Me not pay license for my speech. And me know me have free speech. Anywhere you're there, you're supposed to have free speech. Alright? Are your God-given rights. Let's go. Now me gonna play the footage again. I want to watch this footage carefully. And then me gonna come back in and me gonna say why me feel this way. Now, I want to talk about this robbery. This robbery was definitely an inside job. And I said that from my analysis. It's somebody who work at a company, might tell somebody, but this is information them know. So listen, the money I come here, so I can be somebody from even in the place where them go put the bank machine, cause it seems like it might be a store or a business area. But this is an inside job, and the inside job can come from different angles. We just want to make that up clear. It's plain as day. Everybody's cell phone. Who know who in the store, you understand? Another thing, the man them dead and wait patiently. Now, them shoot the guard them when the guard them went into the store with the money. Them never do it outside. So, on that note, it seems like there was some hesitation. You understand? And you can actually see it when the man them, the youth here, in the blue, like him come from the right side of the vehicle and grab that bag there, and then another youth come from the left side. You understand? The man them never want them going out the store, but them hesitate, and that's why them do that. Me not support it. Me not support the killing. Now, me make a thing where say, yo, me rather them get the money and don't kill. And I'm dead serious about it. And the reason why I'm serious about it, Jamaica system, it is against the poor black people them or the poorer class. It's a class system. The government not put nothing in place. The government keep on giving the police and the soldier them gun. Them keep on violating people, right? Nothing is structured in a way to give back to the community. Like me say, universal income, free healthcare, free education. The government owes us that as Jamaicans. So until the government put in these kind of practices and they stop treat the poorer class of people, we are going to have crime. Now, speaking of crime, look pon the girl, Pantan, who take Usain Bolt money. You understand? And the whole of the people in a whatever saga trading firm. Now, them are bigger thief than these guys. And them do more harm. Only thing say them youth, yeah, the mistake with them do, them kill people and shoot and injure. But when you look at the kind of crime these white collar pum them is doing in Jamaica, which one worse? You understand? And like me said, the Jamaican police, they are one track mind. And over the years, the Jamaican police train for fight from political issues. So Jamaican police is very good in terms of urban policing, warfare, whatever, fighting crime. Them very versatile, believe it or not, because over the years, because of the condition of the country and stuff, them become experts. So it's like them have a one track mind. If I no gun crime, it no bad. You understand? Now, the point I'm really trying to make is that the white collar criminals them and the politician them, they're doing bigger crime in Jamaica, and it's because of them why we have these kind of crime. So at the end of the day, where all of the people them get the money, you know, get some money. Don't kill nobody. Get some money, poor people. And that's how I feel. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Okay? That's how me feel about it. I am out.